Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set who can send you direct messages on TikTok. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by going to our profile. We're going to do that by clicking the icon in our bottom right corner. Now, as you can see, we're here on our profile. We're going to continue by clicking the three stripes in our top right corner. Now we're going to select the third option we have, settings and privacy. Here in the account section, we're going to select the second option, privacy. And now, as you can see in our interaction section, the third option we have is direct messages. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. So setting who can send you messages is the first thing we have. So as you can see now, it's set to direct messages everyone. So we can receive direct messages from everyone. We don't want to receive, for example, messages from everyone. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. As you can see here, you can select who you can receive messages from. For example, we want to set it to followers you follow back and people send messages to. For example, you can only send messages to your friends because that's how it's called when you follow a profile and they follow you back on TikTok. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!